Options trading. Trading options for synthetic indices. How to choose the right entry candle. Ideally, enter on the bias of the opening of the third M1 candle in relation to the average price of the 24th candle of the previous market phase. On your chart, you need to use vertical lines to mark and project new cycles for the 3rd and 24th candle. Your vertical lines should be spaced 24 minutes each. Every 24th candle automatically becomes the beginning of a new phase and the end of an old phase of the market, hence you need to use horizontal lines to mark the average price of every 24th candle. The first candle after the 24th candle is your signal candle. The second candle after your 2th candle is your confirmation candle. The third candle after the 24th candle is your entry candle. Your entry bias is determined by the displacement of the third candle's opening price. If your third candle opens above the 24th candle's average price, you should enter on a bullish bias. If your third candle opens below the average price of the 24th candle, you should enter on a bearish bias. Your entry candle should be always checked for exactness and accuracy so that you don't use the wrong candle as your entry candle. Based on this principle of market change of phase after every 24 minutes, you're expected to find a new entry after every 28 minutes. So, it is important to spot your 24th candle correctly and mark it with a vertical line. It is also important to project the end of the phase to the next 24th minute and mark it with a vertical line before the 24th candle is reached. When you find any new 24th candle, mark it with a vertical line first, then mark it with a horizontal line to record its average price. The average price is the middle of the candle's high and low. Add the price of the 24th candle's high and low, and then divide it by 2. The new price is the average price. The average price is important because it helps you find your entry bias for any new market phase. A new entry that goes against your entry bias to break the average price by 10 pips should be closed in loss manually. Otherwise, if you have your entry placed in DMT5, then set stop loss automatically to 10 pips below the average price. When trading higher and lower options on DTrader, always back up your entry bias with analysis done on Mount 5. It is preferable to set duration to 28 minutes expiration time before entering options trade with higher and lower on DTrader. Close your trade before the expiration time if you're losing and price goes below the moving average by 10 pips tracked on Mount 5. That way you save some premium on your lost trade. Close your trade in profit manually if price begins to reduce in profit by 10 pips after going 100 pips into profit tracked on Mount 5. You can stay in the market until the expiration time only if you are in profit and see strong momentum in favor of your entry bias. The phases of the market have their limits. The average momentum price projection of a trend phase in 24 minutes is 300 pips. You can decide to close your trade manually when trading higher and lower options on DTrader, if price moves 300 pips in favor of your entry bias. The average momentum price projection of an expansion phase in 24 minutes is 100 pips. You can use Fibonacci retracement tool to accurately record these points with 100 pips spread between points 1 and 2, where point 1 is the starting of the phase at 100.0 retracement level, and point 2 is the ending of phase at 0.0 retracement level. The market cycles of Volatility 100 index are mainly based on expansion phase. The contraction phase has an average momentum price projection of 50 pips. You can use a rectangular shape to mark this phase from its top to bottom. Now, always do your analysis on Mount 5 before trading higher and lower options on DTrader. When trading higher and lower options on DTrader, watch out for the correct entry candle first on Mount 5. Once you spot your entry candle on Mount 5, return to DTrader to take your entry in the correct buyers spotted while the entry candle is still running. Set your expiration time for your options trade to 25 minutes when trading higher and lower on DTrader. This is your sure way to profit from options trading. Want to see this way of trading in action and practical demonstration? Join at CTFAQ channel today on https://t.me/CTFAQ. You can start trading with CTFAC and building your own CTFAC trading club to earn referral commission every month by purchasing your CTFAC membership on https://ctfac.bumper.shop. Get started today as you learn how to trade for free and earn money as a trader. Welcome as you join us at CTFAQ.